Welcome to Best RV channel. Nile Mari from Best RV in Turlock, California. This is a brand new product from Winnebago. Unbelievable. Yeah, this is the Winnebago Thrive. Look at this window. I admire this windows. This time they did it really right and they add more to it. So they have the nice, beautiful window in the front. It looks like Tesla. Look like a fancy car. And then they add the logo on it. Then you have the electric tongue jack. One thing about Winnebago, me personally love, is the independent single separated switch for the electric jack, so you could push each one individually. The competitor, they do only one switch for the front, one switch in the back. Winnebago, they give you two switch for the front, so each corner you could control with the switches as well in the back. Now this is a new product. They did a major overhaul for their Winnebago Mini, and they came up with the new product called the Thrive, and they targeted certain floor plan in that. So we have it, as we mentioned in the previous videos, the 22 MB. Now we have the 18 FB, which is 18 footers with walk around bed in the front, bathroom in the corners as soon you walk in, and then you have a sofa slide. Now another feature, I love the wheel fenders. It has BNL shackle for the axles, spring leaves. I love where they put the spare tires is underneath. Look here, the spare tire is underneath, so there's nothing in the back like some other unit you have like spare tire by the bumper. Now look how deep this step. If you see my foot, so when you step in from the door, you have a big room, so you don't have to trip. Nice power awning with LED light, GPL speakers. They give you a place where you put your TV bracket for outside TV, so I could have the outside TV. Also, what they do, they give you outside ladder, and it come with the ladder, whereas the competitors, they give you ladder prep. This come with the ladder, backup camera right there. Outside shower, hot and cold, 30 amp plug, water connections. You see, it's clean. So if I decide, I could put the bike rack here, and I could put my 4 bikes, or I could put my tray. I could put my electrical bike if I want to. Sandy flush, the sewage, the black and gray. Nice slick finishing on the slide out, solid. You see, all this is aluminum frame, vacuum bonded walls. Free and hot water here. And you can see the pass-through storage from both sides. And if we come over here, you will see this unit has 200 amp solar panel, 30 amp controller, 200 watt solar panel as well. This one, I wish if it's dark at night, you will see it's glide. It's all LED in the front, this side, that side. It's really slick at night. Now let's go inside the 18FB and show you all the new changes they did. I love this step. Folks, we're inside the brand new 2026 Winnebago Thrive 18FB. Now I admire this unit for multiple things. By the way, every manufacturer you ever think about it, they make the same floor plan. Walk around bed in the front, sofa slide facing the kitchen and the TV, and big bathroom in the back and a fridge. But why the Thrive is separate themselves than the others? That's the question you say when you look at a trailer. When you want to go person's trailer, why I want to buy this unit and they make it 7 different brands, same, everybody can copy the same floor plan. Number one, I admire they put a king size bed on an 18-footer trailers. That is a big deal. Now the second thing you see here is I admire the countertop and the sink, because it's one piece. I mean, this is here, I want to show you, this is like the new model. So this is not plastic, this is not aluminum, this is not cheap sink. They give you a one-piece sink with the counter. Look how slick, smoothy, solid surface. Look how thickness. You know, it's like it's like a Korean, but it's not. I can't say the word Korean because it's not a Korean brand, but it's similar to that. So it's a solid one-piece composite kitchen countertop. Now, why you want to go this way? I have no seams. Look, no seams. I don't have to worry about caulking my sink. I don't have to worry about any issue like that kind of thing. I don't have to worry about cracking. Then also very slick, very clean. Look at it, especially what they did with this LED light. I mean, it's amazing. Modern cabinet. Look how it's modern. Very modern. Magnet. They don't open when you travel. You see? And then over here, I love this touch. Show me this size. They give you 2 trash can. This one you could use it, one for disposable, one for recycling. Self-closing. You notice? Self-closing. And then look how big for your cooking pans. Plenty room. Plenty room for dishes. And then for silverware. This extra touch they do for your silver, the finishing, you could, you know, put it like this, slide this way back. Now, everybody give you this with a small TV. Look how big the TV they give you. It's like 40-inch smart TV. So you could see this one from all over. You could see it from your, when you lay down in your king size bed, and when you lay down, sit on the sofa. The nice touch, which is everybody say, is the window. Look, if you come over here, I want to show you, and you slide. Look how bright my travel trailer. So you wake up in the morning. Look how nice finishing. I mean, it's solid. This is not like some other brands. These cabinets open with hinges. Even here's also. They open. So you could see the quality of this trailer they offer versus the other brands. There's a place for 110 USB plug, so you could put your breathing machine here on both sides with no problem. Very roomy. I could lay down here on the bed. Look how big it is, especially we're big guys, and I could watch the TV. The TV is on a swing arm. I could swing it or don't swing it, whatever you want. So these kind of features the Winnebago Thrive they offer you. And coming down over here, easy to get in the bed, easy to fix the bed. Plus they give you with a shock. Look how big the storage underneath. Blanket, pillow, sheets, you name it. So that's from the kitchen. Now coming over here, this is extra touch they do. They hide your fuse box. Other competitor, you see this big ugly brown box, and everybody asks me, what's this box? And I tell them, I have to explain to them, this is the converter and the fuse box. But look, they give you extra door. I know they don't have to do it, but they do it because it's quality and the look. And believe me, you walk in this, you think you walk in a brand new model houses they built. So they put everything contemporary. The color they choose, it's unbelievable. Now, all the drive they give you automatically, 200 watt solar panel on the roof with 30 amp controller, 11 cubic refrigerator, 12 volt. So you can run this one continuous, so you have no issue of running this. And then you have, love this, look this touch. Look this touch, LED light in this closet. And again, you could take this shelf off if I want to. I could use it for hanging as well the other two, or I could use it for pantry or hanging clothes. These doors, I mean, this is the extra touch they do versus the competitor, because everybody make this floor plan, everybody. Now, going to their bathroom, I love what they did here. Nobody noticed what's this. How many times you yell and screaming, where's my towels? Oh, I forgot to take the towels when I go take a shower. Well, you have a big closet here, so you could put your linens on it, no question asked. Then you have a porcelain toilet. Look, if I close my door, still I have my knees, no problem. How many times you buy a trailer, they give you solid surface countertop in the kitchen, but they give you composite in the bathroom. Well, look, this is same. Solid surface in the bathroom, solid surface in the kitchen living area. Solid medicine cabinet, not a paper, not a plastic. Even like this little tiny things, hanging towels. And then you have the glass shower door, and you could see it's very roomy for height of the skylight, the elbow, no issue at all whatsoever. So, and the weight, a lot of people they're forgetting this unit, the dry weight of this unit. This unit is a half-ton towable. This unit you could pull with any SUVs like a V8 SUVs, Denali's, all the SUVs they make, and you could pull it with a half-ton towable truck, SUVs, perfect, very roomy. Now, when we talk about this sofa, there's a lot of function on the sofa. First, they give you They don't waste any space. They give you all this closets and storage. Then also you have these arms, and then people they ask, well, what's this? Well, this one I could put it right here. Okay, and I could put my cups on it, drink, eat my sandwich if I want. I have my laptop while I'm watching the TV. Come with two, one on this side and one on the other side. Also, if you take your grandkids with you, or if you take somebody with you and you want to sleep with them, you have a nice jackknife sofa over here, and it's very easy. Look how easy. I could sleep two kids, one big adult over here. So this is his and her travel chairs designed for pop and mom, and they take a couple grandkids with them. It's perfect for going camping, for enjoying, but you still have the nice quality of Winnebago as well, the high end. Folks, I want to let you be the judge, and look at this one, how beautiful, how slick, how clean, and it's ready for you at a price. We assure you no one will match our prices instead of California. And even if they try, what we do, we beat their prices, and we make it ready at no cost to you with a free dealer prep, free walkthrough. Come in and grab the Thrive and enjoy camping.